Replacing your door is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in security, comfort, and your home's overall value. Worcester homeowners face unique weather patterns throughout the year, from cold New England winters to humid summers, so choosing the right door material is especially important. The best option will depend on your home's style, your budget, and the level of performance you expect in terms of insulation, durability, and upkeep. Below is a helpful guide to walk you through the most common materials and what to consider before making your final decision. What to consider before choosing a material. Before comparing materials, take a moment to think about your priorities. Ask yourself, how important is energy efficiency? Worcester's cold season can send heating costs soaring, so insulation matters. Do you prefer low-maintenance options or natural finishes that may need upkeep? How secure do you want the door to be? Is curb appeal your top priority? Some materials are more customizable than others. What is your long-term budget, not just your upfront cost? With those questions in mind, let's look at the top material choices and how each one performs. Wood doors. Classic beauty and custom appeal. Wood has long been a favorite for its warm, natural appearance. If timeless elegance or historic charm is important to you, wood is an excellent choice. Many Worcester homes have traditional architecture, Victorian, colonial, and craftsman styles pair beautifully with richly stained or painted wood. Benefits. Authentic appearance with premium curb appeal. Easy to customize with decorative glass, carvings, or unique finishes. Feels solid and luxurious. Considerations. Because of Worcester's seasonal moisture and temperature swings, wood doors require periodic sealing or painting to prevent warping, rotting, or discoloration. They also tend to cost more than other options, especially for solid hardwood. Steel doors. Strong, secure, and energy efficient. If your priority is security and durability, steel doors are hard to beat. They hold up well to dents, tampering, and wear over time while offering excellent insulation, ideal for Worcester winters. Benefits. Higher security rating than most other options. Great insulation for energy savings. Lower maintenance than wood. Typically more affordable than fiberglass or solid wood. Considerations. While modern finishes look clean and stylish, steel doors can rust if scratched or exposed to standing moisture. They also absorb heat from sun exposure, which may matter if your door faces west or south. Fiberglass doors. Versatile, durable, and low-maintenance. Fiberglass is one of the most popular materials among today's homeowners because it offers the best of both worlds. The look of wood without the constant upkeep. It performs extremely well in Worcester's changing climate and resists cracking, swelling, and fading. Benefits. High energy efficiency and weather resistance. Very low maintenance. Can mimic wood grain for a luxury look. Available in a wide range of styles and colors. Considerations. Upfront, fiberglass doors cost more than steel. However, their lifespan and minimal upkeep often make them worth the investment over time. Vinyl doors. Affordable and weather-resistant vinyl doors are another good low-maintenance option for Worcester homeowners. They hold up well in humidity and precipitation and won't peel or corrode. Benefits. Cost-effective solution. Good insulation and moisture resistance. Almost no upkeep required. Considerations. Vinyl is less customizable than wood or fiberglass, and it may not deliver the same premium look. Some homeowners prefer higher-end visual appeal for front entry doors, particularly when adding resale value. Choosing the right fit for your Worcester home. Each material comes with its own strengths, so the right choice depends on matching performance with your lifestyle. If you value beauty and tradition, wood may be ideal. For security and value, steel is a top pick. If you want the look of wood without the maintenance, fiberglass is a standout choice. And if you're budgeting while still wanting protection from the elements, vinyl is worth considering. The best way to feel confident in your choice is to work with a local door replacement specialist who understands Worcester homes and climate demands. They can help you compare materials, review insulation ratings, and match the style of your new door to your home's architecture. The right material doesn't just upgrade your entrance, it boosts your energy efficiency, safety, and curb appeal for years to come.